15 days over 2,800 kilometers, we decide to do something crazy. Take our Shiba Inu, who really travels, to challenge one of China's most geographically complex provinces, Guizhou. Friends warn me, Guizhou is all mountain roads that will make you dizzy, and the vet warned my dog might get travel anxiety. But look outside. When I see the endless mountain ranges, I know that not coming here will be our biggest regret. This is a story about conquering hairpin turns, finding 2,000-meter high villages, and how a Shiba Inu becomes the ultimate adventure buddy. Welcome to China's hidden southwest. Our trip starts in Guizhou, Guangxi, home of the famous luosifen, or river snail noodles. For many foreigners, the smell is a bioweapon. But the stink is misunderstood. Its soul is fermented bamboo shoots. In these humid, hot climates, its spicy and sour flavors are local wisdom to dispel dampness and boost appetite. Smells bad, tastes great. That's the dialectic of Chinese cuisine. Of course, if you can't handle the heat, this sweet cassava soup is a lifesaver. Look at our dog's eyes. He's clearly on the sweet side. What surprised me most was this: dog parking. Americans debate whether dogs can enter a cafe, but Libo, China already reserves parking spots for them. That's not pet-friendly, that's VIP treatment. First stop in Guizhou, Libo 小气孔. The water here is so green it looks like nature squeezed on a Photoshop filter. It's not dye, it's the mineral reflection from the Karst rocks. If our little guy were here, even if I told him it was a natural spa, he definitely wouldn't buy it. But luckily, he's enjoying the stuff gossip at the off-site pet nursery. Next, Waterfall, the Chinese Niagara. Standing before it, the 80-meter drop creates more than just mist. It creates a physical shockwave. Passing the water curtain cave, everyone gets soaked but yells excitedly. Nature's power conquers all, except our dog, who is watching cartoons at the hotel, perfectly avoiding the soaking party. Guiyang City, the capital of Guizhou, has over 1,000 old streets and alleys that bear witness to the city's nearly 650 years of military defense, immigration culture, and development. Guiyang's Ethnic Museum focuses on the history, culture, and traditions of Guizhou's 18 ethnic groups. Here, you can admire the unique clothing, scripts, music, and architecture. The museum acts like a time machine, making history eternal. Welcome to Fanjingshan. This land has been rising from the ocean for 1 billion years. Every rock here is ancient beyond measure. To touch the sky, you pay the price. The path up is so steep, you need all your limbs. The park even has a sarcastic sign: if nobody loves you, climb this mountain, then your whole body will hurt. But standing at 2,336 meters, watching the sea of clouds churn below, you understand the human obsession with climbing. In that moment, you become part of the view. A cup of Tongren matcha is the best comfort after the climb. This region is known as China's matcha capital, where high altitude and mist nurture top-tier tea. On the way to the grassland, we cross the Beipan River Bridge. Its main span is the world's highest bridge, tall enough to fit a skyscraper underneath. Plus, the mountains are covered in solar panels built by drones. You can't help but marvel. China's infrastructure truly spans rivers and mountains. Finally, our dog's turf, Woman Grassland. At 2,000 meters high, it's over 170 square kilometers of natural playground. For only 30 RMB, it's cheaper than some pet parks. The only trouble, the locals, horses and cows. Our dog attempted some cross-species diplomacy, but his eyes clearly said, "Mom, why is this dog bigger than me?" We visited some Miao villages. The ecology here in Que'niao Miao Village is truly pristine, but the dog suffered a dog-like trauma here, frozen solid by a tiny creek barely covering his ankles. The climax happened in an obscure place, Que'niao Miao Village. The GPS said 4 kilometers straight line, but it took us 30 minutes to drive it.
Oh, amazing.
Even though the road was long, the food and drink were worth it. The owner told me this road beneath our feet was built by 2 generations of villagers over 10 years. Once isolated, they now use smartphones to show their homes to the world. A decade of road building just to connect with the outside world. This touched me more than any view. Here, you can see the true vitality of rural China. Leaving Guizhou, we returned to Guangxi for the Longxi rice terraces. The golden rice waves in September are the perfect period to this trip. The harvest represents abundance and hope. We survived typhoons, hairpin turns, and stinky food. Traveling with a pet in China requires extra planning, but the pet friendliness and infrastructure exceeded my expectations. Don't just take my word for it, come see it yourself. This is Guizhou and Guangxi. See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe.